Hello everyone, hope you all are doing great. I am Varun Lamba, your personality development and soft skill trainer. Most of us know that failure is a reality of life, and at some level, we understand that it actually helps us grow. Intellectually, we even acknowledge that the greatest achievers, past and present, also routinely experienced failures. But still, we hate to fail. We fear it, we dread it, and when it does happen, we hold on to it. We give it power over our emotions, and sometimes we allow it to dictate our way forward or backward. Some of us go to great lengths to avoid failure because of all the pain and shame associated with it. Let's face it, we all have failed at a certain point of time in life. When you have failed, it will most likely hurt, sometimes a bit, sometimes a lot. That's okay. Don't try to push it away by distracting yourself or by trying to push the responsibility onto the rest of the world. And don't try to paint it over with a smile. To try to accept it, to let it in and to hurt for a while instead of trying to reject it all and to keep it away. Because when you let it in and accept it, then it will go faster and in the long run be less painful to process what has happened. Look at that failure analytically, indeed curiously, suspending feelings of anger, frustration, blame, or regret. Why did you fail? What might have produced a better outcome? Was the failure completely beyond your control? After gathering the facts, step back and ask yourself, what did I learn from this? Think about how you will apply this newfound insight going forward. The plan you come up with will just be a start. You can course correct later on along the way, so you don't have to make it perfect. Trying to do that can sometimes just be a way to procrastinate because you fear failing again, or it is hard to start moving after this rough and disorienting thing that happened to you. Split your start of a plan up into small steps and then take action. The important thing is to get started and moving forward again, so make that easy on yourself. Obsessing over your failure will not change the outcome. In fact, it will only intensify the outcome, trapping you in an emotional doom loop that disables you from moving on. You cannot change the past, but you can shape your future. The faster you take a positive step forward, the quicker you can leave these debilitating, monopolizing thoughts. Therefore, let go of the habit of mulling the situation over for too long. There was a man who failed in business at age 21, was defeated in a legislative race at age 22, failed again in his business at 24, overcome the death of his fiancée at 26, had a nervous breakdown at 27, lost a congressional race at 34, lost a senatorial race at age 45, failed to become vice president at age 47, lost the senatorial race at 49, and was elected as the President of the United States of America at the age of 55. This man was Abraham Lincoln. He refused to let his failure define him and fought against significant odds to achieve greatness. I hope you find this video helpful to make your life better than before, because failure is not a fatal at all. Keep learning and move forward. Thank you.